In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open MYOB in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're getting started with your new accounting software or just needing a refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating the first steps to accessing your MYOB account. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you typically use for your internet browsing. Make sure your internet connection is steady, as this will ensure that everything loads quickly and smoothly without any hitches. Now, let's direct our attention to the address bar at the top. Type in the MYOB website URL to navigate to their homepage. MYOB, as you may know, is an intuitive accounting software that can help manage your business finances efficiently. Once the page has loaded, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a Sign In option. Hover over Sign In and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. From the menu, click on My Account. This will take you to the Login page where you'll input your credentials. Enter the email address and password associated with your MYOB account. It's important to ensure that this information is accurate. Otherwise, you'll run into trouble logging in. If you're unsure about your password, most login pages have a Forgot Password option, allowing you to recover or reset it in no time. Now, if you happen to have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, an additional step is required. This is a security measure that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. A verification code will be sent to your phone or authenticator app, depending on what method you've set up. Check your device promptly for this code, as it may only be valid for a short period of time. Enter the code when prompted, and with that, you should have full access to your MYOB account. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully logged into your MYOB account. Remember, having access to efficient tools like MYOB can significantly enhance the ease and accuracy of managing your business operations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help options available on the MYOB website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.